Hey Tech Squad, what's up? So in today's video, we are going to learn about how to use JavaScript in Power Apps model-driven application and Microsoft Dynamics 365. So let's get started. And here we are in our solution in our application model-driven application. So basically, what we need here, so we need to concatenate first name, last name, and show it in the full name field. Fine. So it should something like this: John Snow. So how we can achieve this functionality? For achieving this functionality, we are going to use JavaScript. Okay. So I have already created a JavaScript here, so you can see it, and I'll provide this JavaScript in my description as well, and you can just copy this JavaScript from there. So what else we needed? We need the name or logical name of our uh, columns. Like this is the first name column, this is the last name column, and this one is the full name column. So how we can get the logical name of our columns, right? So for getting logical names, what we can do, we can just install a extension which is Level Up for Dynamics 365 in Power Apps. It looks like this, and once you'll click on this logical names, so it will give us all logical names. Like first name's logical name is Vox's first name, Vox's underscore first name is similar like Vox's underscore last name, and full name. Okay, if you don't want to add this extension, so what you can do, you can just go to your solution and check table name. Like I'm going to apply JavaScript in this student table, so just go to the table and just check your column. Like you can check your logical name of column from here as well. Just like here is the first name column, just click on this first name and you'll get the logical name from here. If you will see here, so logical name, so you can just copy logical name and then replace the logical name from here, like first name to first name, and then last name to last name, and full name to full name. Fine. Once you'll complete this thing, so what you need to do, so I have already opened my model driven application here. If you will see, so I have already opened my model driven application here. What do you need to do? Just okay, so here I have, sorry, so here we are in our model driven application, and then just select the form of your table. Like in my case, a student is my table and a student form is the form inside my table. Okay, and this is the form information. Okay, so now I'm going to apply JavaScript on my first name, last name. So just edit your form from here, just select your any one of column and just select here event. Okay, so here you can add JavaScript library. Just click on add library button and new library source. You need to upload the JavaScript file. So what we can do, I can just copy the location of my JavaScript file. So here is my JavaScript file, this is JavaScript file. So I'm just going back, choose file, and just here, and then I can choose this is my JavaScript file. Okay, and what will be the display name of JavaScript? So concatFNameLName. Okay, and here will be the name, so I can just simply paste it here, and the type of this will be JavaScript. Okay, if you want to add some description, you can add, but I don't want to add here anything, so I'm just going to save and publish. So I have save and publish, just library, and I can see it here. Okay, so you can just find it using your this is the concat, or I can just simply search concat. You will just get concatFNameLName, and just select this one from here, add. Okay, and if you will see here, so we have added a library here, and then event handler. Just click on event handler of this first name, and then on change, and which JavaScript you want to use, just concatFNameLName. And what is the function's name? So you can just copy the function name from here. This is our function name, concatFNameLName, and just paste it here. Enable. Okay, something same for this one, lname. Okay, so just go to event plus event handler. All the event type and library will remain same. Just need to paste function name here, and just done. And then save and publish. Okay, what we can do here, we can just make this full name read only. So what I can do, I can just select this full name and just set this as read only, and I can just save and publish my form again. Okay, so once this will save and publish, so we will just go to our application back, and we will just hard refresh. I'm going to hard refresh this page from here. So I have refreshed this page from here. So what you need to do here, you need to just add again John, and you'll see here the first full name auto populated using JavaScript, and snow, SNOW, and once we'll press tab, so we can see it here, and once we will save and close this one, we can see it here, John Snow. Okay, so in this tutorial we have learned how to use JavaScript using model driven application or Dynamics 365. Similarly, if you are not familiar with this new we can say studio, so you can just switch to classic one, and it is almost means it is also similar. What you need to do, okay, just wait for minutes. Means this is simply for Dynamics developers. So this is all done. I'm just explaining how Dynamics developers can add JavaScript. So similar to this one, like here we can just click on this first name column, and you will see here events, and yeah, we have already added this event from via our JavaScript file and event from using model driven app editor. So if you want to add anything here, so you can just add any other function from here similar, but we have already done. So you can just save and publish this one, and your JavaScript can concatenate first name and last name. Okay, thank you guys, and have a rest of build. Bye bye. We'll meet soon in our new video. Thanks guys.